family farms. You could pick your own berries. So I'm here with my mom and family to go pick some epic berries. You see, I have my mask for stuff, and so I have already picked some strawberries. They're super good. I picked them in this field. And so now I'm going to go pick some blueberries. Let's do this, guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I picked all my strawberries. So first, walked along trying to find one. When I did, beautiful, I snatched it. And then you got a strawberry. And I did that for like a while. And then we went to the blueberries, so all that strawberries. It's really amazing. So, yeah, we're gonna make ice cream after we go back, and we're gonna eat lunch right now, so
I want you to
check in with you later.
She's with Beth. She's just walking. Okay. That was fast. Picked them. Done.
Okay, so we're at the blueberries, and most everybody's here already. Is this the only blueberries?
Okay. Let's go back this way a little bit, you guys.
Let's do this. I have a whole nother box for this, so let's do this. So Georgia has her, Georgia has our baby cousin on the back, so cute. And she has her some blueberries and strawberries. I'm gonna start picking some blueberries, so let's do this. You gotta pick the ripe ones that are actually blue. That's why they call them blueberries. I'm gonna be here for hours, man. Okay, so I'm gonna take some of my blueberries and eat some. So good, guys. Should totally get some. Fresh from the vine. Really good. Totally. Believe me about this. Update! I have more blueberries, and I'm going to introduce you to da-da-da-da, Ruby. Say hi.
Hi, friends.
Yeah. So she's really cute. She came for a visit. Don't worry. It's not. You know what? I'm just gonna stop talking. By the way, if you ever grab a green blueberry, don't eat it. Just toss it behind you. Because, you know, those ones taste like crap. Just kidding. It tastes really tart. So, don't eat them. Okay, so we're heading further back. And here's Junie, my other cousin. Say hi.
Hi.
And we're going to head back over the fields. And we're going to see if there's any more riper blueberries over here. How's your picking going, Junie?
Hey.
Good?
This is a good one.
Eat it. Tastes good? Yeah. It's been a few minutes, like 30 minutes, I think. And we're a lot fuller. Yeah, look at this. Bailey's been eating more than me.
Yeah, I've been eating a lot.
What'd you say, Kira? Say hi. She says hi. I'm gonna move. That was a hole. I'm gonna move down over here and do this pretty looking bush. And yeah, we'll check in later. Get ready for this. Ready? Lion King.
Lion King.
No, say no. Ready? Sing with me.
I can't wait to be king. I just can't wait to be king.
Oh yeah. Oh, I just can't wait. There you go. Mom's singing it. Sing it. Sing it. Sing it. Sing it.
No.
Poo butt. Anyway, karaoke session. Back to pulling it on. Got one thing. So yeah, we just finished. Well, We're getting some for our other grandma, and I am just picking and eating. And I just heard we're going to make blueberry ice cream when we get home. Sorry. Mom said we're going to do blueberry ice cream in our ice cream maker. So we will film that as well. So, yeah. That's how you pick a blueberry. Then you eat it. Okay, so we just finished. We have all of our things marked with things like trash. Mine has a stick in it. And I got camera on my back now. We're gonna go eat lunch, so